Here's something most people miss when they first start using Claude. They go to Claude AI, they have a chat, and they think that they're talking to Claude. Claude is an intelligence. Claude.ai is just one place to access it. The actual Claude ecosystem has multiple products, and each one is designed for a completely different type of work. So let's break this down for you. If you're using Claude through the desktop app, you get 3 modes right at the top of your screen: Chat, Cowork, and Code. These aren't just different interfaces. They're genuinely completely different ways of working. Chat is a Claude that most people already know, but the desktop version has a few things that the browser doesn't. With the desktop version, you're able to click and drag a window directly into Claude so it can see what you're looking at and give you an answer in seconds. There's also the dictation function, so you can talk through a problem instead of having to type it out. And there's connectors, so Claude can work with tools that are actually on your machine. Claude Chat is for thinking. It's for quick questions, brainstorming, drafting, and working through decisions. Claude Cowork, however, is a completely different category. In Chat, Claude tells you what to do. In Cowork, Claude actually goes and does it. All you have to do is point it at a folder and say, organize these files. And Claude Cowork will quite literally go through your entire desktop and organize the files for you. You can drop in a stack of PDFs and say something like, pull a key data from each one of these and build me a new spreadsheet, and it will build the spreadsheet for you. You can connect Claude Cowork to your Slack, your Notion, your Google Drive, or your Gmail, and ask it to pull together everything related to a specific project. It has the ability to read across all of them and deliver something finished. Claude Cowork is for doing. You can do research briefs, document creation, file organization, data analysis, anything that has a clear end result and you'd rather delegate than do yourself. Lastly, we have Claude Code. Claude Code is for building. And I know what you might be thinking right now. You don't know how to code, and that's completely fine. All you have to do to work with Claude Code is to describe what you want in plain English. Claude writes the code, and when something breaks, you just describe what's wrong and Claude goes ahead and fixes it for you. The terminal, which is a scary-looking text-based command window, is just the interface in which the conversations take place. You still get to talk to Claude Code just like you would talk to a person. Claude Code is designed for builders. You can create websites, apps, tools, automations, anything that's a software project. And I'm going to explain how to use each one of these tools in full detail in later lessons and modules. So when you're trying to decide how best to use Claude, I want you to think of it like this. Use Chat when you need to think, use Cowork when you need to do, and use Code when you need to build. You don't need to understand every feature to be effective. You just need to know which tool to reach for at the right moment. And that's exactly what the rest of this course is going to teach you. So let's get into it.